So in today's video, I'm going to go over a software that allows you to build an email outside of something like MailChimp or Constant Contact. And then in a later video, I'll show you how to actually take that email and send it in a different sender other than MailChimp. So stay tuned, you're really going to want to see this. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. Okay, so let's start building the email. So first we're going to need a header. So let's put in a one column header here, and inside of there we're going to put our logo. So we're going to grab an image up here, drag and drop that, real easy. And then I use a warehouse image, which means I have a URL for it. And I'm going to go and grab that on another screen, copy, and let's set our mobile menu and everything will be center. Okay, and there's that. And then let's put in another one column. Okay, but actually first let's put in a separator so we have a little bit of space between them. There we go. And then we'll keep on doing that actually. Let's do another one. And then we're going to need a, actually, you know what? Let's put a two column in there. So let's put that there and then a two column. Good, and then let's put another spacer. Oops, actually we already have the spacer. Let's put a one column, and then inside of that let's put a four column. Okay, I know that looks really confusing, but let's put in some images. Image there, image here, and here, and here. These will be our social media icons. And then let's put an image there, and let's put text here, and let's put in a one column here actually with a header. All right, and have all our images. Oh yeah, and more text. Okay, and let's go ahead and put that text in. All right, so then we drop this in, and if we go look at it right now, kind of see it taking shape, but there's still a lot of work to do. So actually not that much work to do because this is really quite easy. So we'll go to color and select color, and I already have some color set aside, and let's go ahead and do that with a footer. Super easy to build with this, which is why I like it so much. All right, so let's close that out and preview. Now we can kind of see, you know, a lot more shape taking form here. So let's add another spacer. I just noticed we need one there. All right, and we can just throw one here also. Okay, and let's go get our images, because I believe that's, well, actually let's put let's center that text up for both desktop and mobile. All right, so let's go into grab images. We'll grab the warehouse, center it up, and grab this one, center warehouse, and this one, and center warehouse. Just grabbing all these images on another screen and paste that in, and one more. All right. Oh yeah, this image as well. I have this image set aside from Pixabay, so let's use that. Let's go to warehouse, paste that in. All right, so now when we go back to the preview, we have a nice newsletter ready to go out, okay? And of course you can make it as complicated as you want, but I'm just making this really simple for this demonstration. And from here, there's one more step before we put it into an editor, and that is to scroll up, drop in the inliner, and now when we preview it, we have HTML code, all right? Which can go into our sender, and then we have the text version of the email in case if the user doesn't turn on the HTML. And that's it. That's how easy it is to build an email with Rapid Weaver email stacks. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.